cooking verbs. Choose the video that shows the action. Number 1. Grate. Grating cheese to put on a pizza. Number 2. Roast. The chickens are roasting on a spit. Number 3. Peel. How do you peel an orange? Number 4. Poach. It takes about 3 minutes to poach an egg. Number 5. Beat. Beating eggs makes them light and fluffy. Number 6. Spread. Spread the jam all over the toast. Number 7. Steam. I like to steam vegetables and grill meat. Number 8. Knead. Knead the bread dough by hand. Number 9. Bake. They bake cookies in the oven. Number 10. Grill. Let's grill steaks on the barbecue this weekend. What was your score? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English quizzes.